Hello everyone, this is a simple unboxing. Today is August 12, 2026. I just got back from out of town and received the Redmi K100 Pro Max. My last Redmi phone was this one, which I bought for my son who is in elementary school to play games. Why did I buy this Redmi K100 Pro Max again? Well, it's because of its long battery life. I considered the Honor phone, right? It seems to have the highest battery life, but its processor is a bit weaker. I wasn't really interested in the Honor 90. I didn't expect them to release the K100 Pro Max so quickly. The processor seems to be largely unchanged, the biggest changes are the camera and battery capacity. It also has external speakers, right? I don't know about the others, can anyone add to this? So, the only gaming phone I've used recently is this one, the iQOO Pro Max. I've already sold the iQOO and others. The iQOO battery life was just too bad. I only play Honor of Kings, so I think good battery life and smooth gameplay are enough. So, battery life is a priority. That's why I got this K100 Pro Max. Without further ado, let's unbox it. Mine is the Crimson Red 512GB version. Since it's a gaming phone, I didn't need to buy the 1TB version. Check the item, there's a small piece of paper attached. I don't really like matte transparent cases or hard cases, and these both have openings, which doesn't provide enough protection. Then there's this unremarkable credit card needle. The phone was placed aside, and there was a 100W charging plug and a USB to Type-C data cable with a USB port, nothing special about it. Check your phone. If there's a bag with a camera pattern on it, okay, now that we've got the phone, the color is obvious. They clearly wanted to release it before the new iPhone 18, making it exclusive. It's a bit of a burgundy, right? The size and feel should be similar to the Xiaomi 17 Pro Max, right? It's based on the iPhone 17 Pro Max and 18 Pro Max sizes, even the camera module is similar. The quality is okay, unlike previous generations. The previous generation's quality was a bit, well, not high-end. I think it's worth looking back at this one. It has a very large co-branded speaker. It feels quite comfortable to the touch, considering it's priced at over 5,000. Let's turn it on and take a look. The phone is already activated, but there's still a large black border. It doesn't have a narrow black border like the Xiaomi 17. But then again, it's just a Redmi, so it's understandable. Regarding the system, I still can't adjust the resolution. It's a pity that Xiaomi doesn't use 2K high-resolution displays anymore. The large 9070 mAh battery in this generation is also a highlight. I wonder how its battery life is. And it already has a new version update on its very first day. The second thing I'm particularly interested in is its speaker. Let's test it out and hear how well it plays. The wind has reddened the peach blossoms and greened the willows. On the road, you always comfort someone. The wind has awakened the frogs and brought the swallows. I'm in the city, and someone is missing. Even if you bring roses from the ground, can you take back the taste of the ground? And yet, you endure not returning. The spring breeze blows and I think of someone. It doesn't matter, as long as I don't regret it. The spring breeze blows and I forget someone. I'm not tired of living, and I'm not old anymore. You'll get drunk. I want to chase after you. Is it right or wrong? No wonder I'm a little tired. Snakes sleep in caves in winter, grasses on the plains sway in the spring breeze, and children see me and I become beautiful. A kiss across the Jade Gate Pass, you are destined to abandon the water in the north, the wind ripples the river, the wind scatters the clouds, I am in this world, unfortunately carrying someone on my back, you can use the tears of March's dreams, can you guarantee a 10-year date? Someone released and never returned. I haven't figured out how the light in the back works yet, but when I listened to this song just now, since it was a master-level audio source, I thought it was pretty good, with a strong sense of layering. I also switched between different sound effects during the process, since it was just activated and I haven't set up any custom adjustments yet. Under the default modes, I thought it was fine, but the equalizer mode felt a bit off, maybe it's because it's not set up correctly. For classic music, I think all the modes are fine. After collaborating with a speaker brand, it's definitely different, and the external speaker is noticeably better than other Xiaomi models. Speaking of imaging, it has almost everything you'd expect, including a 200-megapixel main camera, right? It also has a periscope lens and 3 camera modules. Indeed, Redmi is the true king of Xiaomi phones. Okay, that's all for today's simple unboxing. Let's stick to gaming. I think the only use for this phone is playing Honor of Kings. I'll use it for a few days and see how the battery life is. Because both Red Magic and iQOO phones have limited battery life for games like Honor of Kings, it's practically unusable and not very useful. So, I think we can ignore that. Generally, a phone with strong battery life is a better choice. I'll use it for a few days and then share my experience. Thank you everyone.